Hello and welcome to another episode of Squirtified Engineering. Like I've said for the last two episodes, I'm really close to driving my Supra, and hopefully today will be the day. So I will continue from the last episode and mount the front bumper and then all the small bits and pieces here and there to get it drivable. So I've never been closer, so let's get started. Here I have the bumper ready for assembly and all the minor pieces. It's a big puzzle. The front bumper is assembled. It was a bit tricky, so it took me longer than expected. I didn't realize about this, that this piece is not connected to this piece. Or if it should be, then I've done something incorrectly. But the lip seems to be mounted correctly. So now I can mount it on my Supra. First time driving it outside. Oh, so excited. But it does look a bit tame without the wing. I know that I have holes in the trunk lid and yada yada yada, but I don't care. I'm gonna drive it.